As the sun rises over our community, it brings with it the promise of a new day. This is the vision of Catalyst Community Group and Shalena House, rebuilding lives, renewing hope. Every sunrise is a new opportunity, a chance to rebuild, to renew, to transform. We, at Catalyst Community Group and Shalena House, are in the business of transformation. Our mission is to empower individuals, lighting the path to recovery and vocational training. We're not just teaching skills, we're rebuilding lives, giving people the tools they need to carve out a future they can be proud of. It's about more than just personal growth, it's about community growth. We believe in the power of community, the strength of recovery, and the promise of a brighter future. To create a sustainable future, it's not enough to simply dream. We need skills, we need training, and that's where vocational training comes into play. It's about more than just learning a trade, it's about empowering individuals with the tools they need to thrive. Imagine mastering the art of welding, learning the intricacies of plumbing, or gaining the knowledge to manage a business. These are all skills that can open doors to sustainable careers. But it doesn't stop there. In collaboration with local businesses, we leverage entrepreneurial expertise to create diverse employment pathways. This synergy between vocational training and businesses forms a robust support network that fosters growth and development. And what's the result? It's a community of skilled individuals, each contributing their unique talents and strengths, each building a brighter future, not just for themselves, but for all of us. With the right skills and the right support, anyone can build a future they can be proud of. But we're not just about skills, we're about people, we're about community. At Catalyst Community Group and Shalena House, we understand the power of a supportive community in shaping the path to recovery. We foster an environment where every individual is valued, where every voice is heard. Through our support groups and mentoring sessions, we provide the necessary scaffolding for each person's journey. Because recovery isn't a solitary mission, it's a shared journey. Together we can create a community that uplifts, supports, and empowers. Our mission isn't just a dream, it's a reality. And we have the stories to prove it. Take, for instance, John. Once lost in the throes of addiction, he found solace in our community and strength in our vocational training. Today, he's a successful welder, welding not just metal, but his life back together. Or consider Maria, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. Through our business management program, she discovered her entrepreneurial spirit and now runs her own thriving business. These are not mere anecdotes. They are the echoes of triumph over adversity, of determination over despair. Through hard work, perseverance, and community support, we are transforming lives. We've made great strides, but our journey is far from over. We're creating a world where recovery is celebrated, where skills are nurtured, where each person's potential is given the chance to shine. We're building a self-sustaining ecosystem of recovery, education, and employment. We're harnessing the power of community, of support, of hope. But we can't do it alone. We need you. Join us. Be a part of this transformation. Be a part of this new beginning. Catalyst Community Group and Shalena House, rebuilding lives, renewing hope. Join us today, and together we can build a brighter future.